Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Friends, a few months back I uploaded a video on how to write serial numbers in Excel, especially when we don't have the latest version of Excel installed in our computer. In this video, we demonstrate how to write serial numbers using sequence function which is available in the latest version of Excel. Needless to mention here that the sequence function provides us with a much better method for writing serial numbers. What we did in our earlier video is the following. We used this rows function to write serial numbers and also used counter function to write our serial numbers. So here is a list of items we are going to write serial numbers for this. So using rows function, what we have to do is in the very first cell just before the first item, here we have to write this command like this. Now what is this formula? I can show you by using the magnifier. So it is if is blank $k7 comma two double quotes comma rows $k$7 colon $k7. So this is the formula you have to write in the very first row, because this items are written in the kth column, so that's why it is k. So it is in the 7th row of kth column, first item, so that is why $k7. And then what we have to do, we have to pull this thing down like this. That means we copy this formula to sufficiently large number of cells like this. So we have copied it up to 25th row, but items are up to 16th row, so there are 10 items, so 10 is printed. And if I write any other item here, say bales, then it will be automatically getting a serial number like this. So and if I delete it, then this will go automatically. Now using counter function also, formula is similar. Only thing is that earlier we wrote rows, now we will write counter and then enter. So this is same formula. Okay. So if is blank $k7 comma two double quotes, and in place of rows we have written counter. Rest everything is same. And then once again we have to pull this one down, that means copy this formula to sufficiently large number of cells, and again this will be printed like this serial number. And then if I write any other item, say again I write bills, so you see, so they are behaving exactly in the same manner. Now today in this video what we are going to show, so again I delete it, so again it is gone. So today in this video what we are going to show, we are going to use this sequence function, plus we are using counter function. And so this formula what we have will write here is the following. We will write equal to sequence, then counter, this is counter, sorry, what is it, yeah, this is counter. Then we'll write bracket k colon, sorry, what is I written, k colon k counter, this bracket is extra. This one, bracket closed. So it will count the entire column containing some text, but here this will count even the word items also. So that we don't want. So what we do here, we write -1 here and then bracket closed here, and then we put enter, and then you see we have not pulled it down. We have just written the formula only on this cell, only in one cell, and the rest of the things are automatically filled up. Okay, so this is a major difference. In these two formula, we had to, after writing the formula, we had to pull them down. But here we don't have to pull anything down. It will go this thing. And this one I pulled up to 25th row. Yeah, here you see in the 20th row there is formula. Whereas in the 26th row, okay, 26th row, yeah, 27th row here pulled, and 28th row there is no formula. So if you write anything here, it will not be reflected here. Okay, but here it will keep on, you will keep on getting the serial numbers no matter how many items you write here. So if I write another item, say bills here, and you see it is there. Now suppose I delete this particular pen. So pen I delete and then see what happens. So I delete pen. So you see everything is automatically adjusted. So there is no difference in the serial number. There are now 10 items including bills. Pen is gone. So 1 up to 10, 1 to up to 10. So this is nicely done. And now instead of deleting, so again I have written that pen. So now there are 11 items. Now suppose I increase one row. So what I do is introduce a blank column. Now in that case what happens, there is a blank column here, but there are actually 11 items. So you see the difference in their behavior. Here serial numbers are there up to 11. Even though there is no item, there is a serial number 5, but bales have no serial number. Whereas in this case, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So blank line has no number here, but other things are correct. 11 items, 11 numbers are there. This is blank, this is also blank. Whereas in the first serial number, this is blank, this is blank. So number 5 is missing. And here actually we are having now 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are problems in everything, all these three methods. But now let us see if I write something here. Uh, so I write something here. What shall I write here? So I write CAP, cap. So if I write cap here, what happens? Now you see this one has automatically corrected itself. There are now 12 items. So 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Here 12 items, here also 12 items, but number 5 is missing. So this is missing because we have not copied any formula here. So what we have to do, we have to pull it down like this. So 5 will come. We have to pull it down like this, 5 will come. So in this method, this copying formula is very much essential. But in this method, copying is not required. Just we write the formula in one cell and rest of the things we follow. So for your benefit, I put a magnifier here, and so this is the formula using sequence function and counter function. So it is equal to sequence counter k colon k minus 1. and in this case the formula is this one which we have already shown, and in this case the formula is this one which we have already shown. Okay, so that's it in this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.